Okay, so for today's lesson, we're going to compute for the expected value or the mean, variance, and the standard deviation. No, so first, this is our problem. A bank manager claimed that each saving account customer has several credit cards. The following distribution shows the number of credit cards people own. Show the complete table of values in calculating the mean, variance, and standard deviation. So ito po yung ating given, ano? So meron tayong number of credit cards, which is the value of X, which is 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. And this is the probability of X natin. We have 0.27, 0.25, 0.18, and 0.15, and 0.15. So, by the way, hindi ko lang po ito napalitan. So, yun, no? Yan. Palitan na natin. Okay, so let's start. Ilagay lang muna natin, ito po yung table na kailanganin natin para makompute po natin yung mean, variance, at saka yung standard deviation. Sa mean po, the formula for getting the mean, we have the summation, we have the mu, okay, mu of x is equal to summation of x times p of x, no? Yan po yung ating formula para makuha po natin si mean. So that's why we have to multiply the random variable, the values of the random variable to its corresponding probability. No, pag nakuha na po natin yung product ng bawat um, random variable tsaka corresponding probability natin, we have to get the sum of all value of all the products, no? Pag nakuha na natin yung sum nila, that is already the mean. And for the variance, this is the formula. We have sigma squared is equal to summation of x, quantity x minus the mean value squared times the p of x or ating variable. Or yung ating variable. Yan. Okay. So, I think we have to start na, no? Okay. So, let's start computing. Lagay lang muna natin yung mga values dito sa loob ng ating grid o ng ating table. We have 12, we have 13, we have 14, we have 15, and lastly, we have 16. Yung probability natin, 0.27, we have 0.25, we have 0.18, we have 0.15, and lastly 0.15. Okay. So all we have, the first step na kailangan natin gawin is multiply all the values here sa kanyang corresponding values dito sa kabilang column, no? So 12 times 0.27, so and so on and so forth. Okay? So mag-multiply na ho tayo. So 12 times 0.27, that is equal to 3.24. Wait lang. Okay. So, we have to multiply 12 times 0.27, that is equal to 3.24. So, lagay natin dito yung 3.24. Next, we have 13 times 0.25. That will be 3.25. 3.25. Next, we have 14 times 0.18. That will be 2.52. Next, we have 15 times 0.15. That will be equal to 2.25. 2.25. And lastly, we have 16 times 0.15. That will be equal to 2.4. Ayan. So, pagkatapos natin class kunin yung mga products um, ng ating random variable to its corresponding probability, all we have to do is to get the sum of all the products, no? I-add lang natin ito. Yan, 3.24. So 3.24 plus 3.25 plus 3.25 plus 2.52 plus 2.25 plus 2.4, no? So, the answer will be 13 point. So, kunin natin yung sum niya. Summation of x times p of x is equal to 13.66. So, itong 13.66 na yan, class, that is already the value of the expected, that is already the expected value or the mean. Ayan. So, nakuha na natin siya. Okay? Ayan. So, susunod natin kukunin, class, is yung ating ito. No, kukunin na natin ngayon, class, yung variance natin. So, para makuha natin si variance, kailangan natin makuha yung mga values ng mga to. Okay? So, we have to fill out all the tables na meron, all the columns na meron po tayo, yung empty column natin. No, so in this case, class, we have x minus the mean. So kailangan nating i-minus ito yung value ng x natin, 'di ba? Okay, i-minus daw natin yung values ng mga ito, yung each values ng x natin, kailangan natin i-subtract doon sa expected value natin, which is 13.66. Okay? So ulitin natin, paliitin lang ulit natin siya dito para mas makita natin yung ating calculator. Okay, so let's start. We have 12 minus 13.66. That will be negative 1.66, negative 1.66, 1.66. Next, we have 13 minus 13.66 ulit. Tama ba? Okay, so we have negative 0.66. Next, we have 14 minus 13.66. Then we have 0.34. Next, we have 15 minus 13.66. That will be equal to 1.34. And lastly, we have 16 minus 13.66. And that will be equal to 2.34. Okay, after natin kunin yan, we have to get the squared. Okay, ibig sabihin, we have to multiply these values to themselves. No? Ibig sabihin, multiply natin sila sa sarili nila. No? Negative 1.66 times negative 1.66, or we can input dan sa calculator natin na gagamitin lang natin itong squared na to. Okay, so let's try it out. We have negative 1.66 squared. That will be equal to 2.7556. Next, we have negative 0.66 squared. That will be 0.0356. Next, we have point 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 34 squared. Tama? 0.34 squared is 0.1156. Okay? Next, we have 1.34 squared. That will be 1.7956. 7956. Okay, next we have 2.34 to 2.34 squared. That will be 5.4 5.475 6. Okay. Last natin class is kailangan natin siyang i-multiply naman ngayon. Itong values natin na ito, i-multiply naman natin siya ngayon sa P of X. Okay, sa probability natin. Okay? So let's try. We have 2.7556 times 0.27. Okay, so we have 0.744 012. Next, we have 13 times, sorry, but 13. We have 0.25 times 0.4356. So that will be equal to 0 point, teka lang ha, 0.1089. So we have 1089. Okay, next we have 0.18. 0.18 times 0.1156. That will be equal to 0.02088. Ayan. Next, we have 0.15 times 1.7956. So that will be equal to 0.26926934. Okay, next we have 0.15 times 5.4 756. So that will be equal to 0.8282134. So pag nakuha nyo na to class, kapag nakompleto nyo na siya, okay, so ang susunod nyo naman gagawin class is to, ayan, get the summation. Kasi yung formula natin for the variance is summation of the quantity of x minus the mean squared times the probability of x. So nakuha na natin to, so all we have to do is to get their sum, no? Okay, kunin natin. So we have summation of x minus the mean value squared times p of x. Okay, kunin nga natin yung sum. So we have 0.81 na tayo, no? Okay, 0.81 plus 0.82134 plus 0.26934 plus 0.020808 plus 0.1089 plus 0.744012. Okay, so the correct answer, the variance natin dito is 1.9. So 1.99644. Okay. So para naman makuha natin class yung ano natin, yung tag dito, yung standard deviation. So ang gagawin naman natin class to get the standard deviation, so that will be the standard deviation, i-square root lang natin yung ating variance, no? Square root of variance. So square root lang natin. So since ang value ng variance natin is 1.96, okay? So ang gagawin lang natin class is i-square root lang po natin 'yan. Okay, so ito yung ating standard deviation. Square root lang po natin yung 1.9644. So, makukuha na natin ang ating square root natin siya. Yan. So, that will be 1.4016 kasi round up na siya. So, ito na yung ating standard deviation. Okay, so ang ating variance is 1.9644. Okay. Ayan. So, yan. So, you just have to be careful lang class sa mga signs, no, sa pag-compute. Kasi once na nagkamali po kayo dyan, everything follows. Okay? So, I hope you learned something. Thank you so much and have a nice day.